Hi, my name is Nerces Mavelian. Welcome to a new segment, Ask Nerces, presented by Autoscope. If you have a question about your fine European car, just click below and we'll get to you on the next issue. Our first question comes from Alan, who drives a Porsche. And he's wondering why his car all of a sudden started running a little hotter and the AC wasn't cooling as well. Well, Alan, we've got something for you that will probably surprise you. The leaves that accumulate on your front radiators, you'll be shocked at how much debris that these Porsches accumulate. And actually it keeps it from cooling, and the AC doesn't work, obviously, because it's blocked up the radiators and the condensers. It needs a regular maintenance once a year. It's fairly easy, but it's necessary. We have a lot of leaves and debris in our area, and it accumulates in the front, and you don't even see it. I bet after we clean the radiators, Alan's car is going to run so much better, the AC is going to work so much better, and you know what? He's going to save money on the parts that were going to go bad by the debris overheating them, so it saves him money, and it's going to run much cooler. He's going to be very happy. If you have a question that you want featured on Ask Nerces, just comment below. Thank you for watching Ask Nerces, presented by Autoscope. Until next time.